Most monitors for photo editing sold online are overpriced gimmicks that fail color accuracy after weeks. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever struggle to trust your screen for true colors when editing photos? This video will guide you to the best options and save your workflow. Today, I'm going to be going over the best monitors for photo editing that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ASUS PA278QV. Initial impressions suggest a premium tool built for professional photographers and editors who demand accurate color and comfortable long hours of viewing. Its stand offers extensive adjustment, enabling precise tilt, swivel, and height changes for comfortable portrait and landscape editing over long sessions. The 5-year warranty included with online registration underscores long-term reliability and confidence for studios managing ongoing client projects. The design emphasizes professional aesthetics with a solid frame and a height-adjustable ergonomic stand that elevates comfort during extended editing. The 27-inch panel offers sharp detail with 2560 by 1440 resolution. Connectivity emphasizes versatility with DisplayPort and HDMI alongside DVI-D and Mini DisplayPort, plus an integrated USB hub to simplify desk-based workloads. Hellman verified status paired with Delta E under 2 ensures color accuracy poised for professional photo editing workflows out of the box. Color coverage reaches 100% sRGB and Rec. 709, aligning with industry standards for vivid photo work. The ProArt preset and palette let you tailor color, brightness, and blacks to match project needs, delivering consistent results across different workflows. In real-world testing, the ASUS PA278QV maintains stable color accuracy across wide viewing angles while delivering smooth performance during photo edits. ASUS Eye Care technology with flicker-free backlight and blue light filter reduces fatigue during extended sessions and complements the anti-glare coating. Connectivity emphasizes versatility with DisplayPort and HDMI alongside DVI-D and Mini DisplayPort, plus an integrated USB hub to simplify desk-based workflows. During a direct comparison with a leading 27-inch professional monitor, the ASUS PA278QV delivers tighter color accuracy. The pros include Calman-verified accuracy, 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 coverage, and an ergonomic adjustable stand. The cons include not being a true HDR display and the need for routine calibration to maintain Delta E accuracy. At number 4, we have the Dell S3225QS. Right out of the box, this 31.5-inch display signals a target audience of photographers, editors, and creators prioritizing detail. The Dell S3225Q's chassis combines a slim profile with an ash-white finish and ultra-thin bezels, delivering a modern desk-friendly silhouette. The Dell S3225Q's panel delivers vivid color with 100% sRGB and 95% DCI-P3, boosting depth. With a 4K UHD VA panel, the Dell S3225Q's monitor delivers vibrant colors and smooth motion up to 120 Hz. In practical testing, the display delivered consistent color accuracy across varied content while maintaining stable brightness and minimal motion blur. The Dell S3225Q's refreshed tech blends with AMD FreeSync Premium, ensuring tear-free frames and smooth panning for gaming and editing. In direct comparison with typical IPS monitors, the Dell S3225Q's delivers deeper blacks and stronger perceived contrast thanks to its VA panel. The pros include vivid 4K visuals with 99% sRGB coverage, ultra-thin bezels, and improved comfort view. The cons include modest brightness at 300 CD per square meter and a relative premium versus budget alternatives. Color fidelity remains solid on the Dell S3225Q's with 99% sRGB and 95% DCI-P3, supporting precise edits. HDR readiness together with a strong contrast ratio enhances depth across shadows and highlights on the Dell S3225Q. Connectivity includes HDMI and DisplayPort inputs along with a slim Dell stand that supports easy tilt adjustment to match desk setups. In daily usage, the Dell S3225Q proves versatile for editing and streaming, and its HDR-ready capability delivers punchy highlights. Finally, the Dell S3225Q remains competitively priced at $299.99, delivering solid value for creators. At number 3, we have the CUNPU 27-inch 4K monitor. From a distance, the sleek ultra-thin bezel design conveys a modern studio vibe while promising clutter-free desk space for efficient editing. Ideal for photographers and video editors seeking accurate color, broad gamut, and dependable IPS performance under bright studio lighting. With a price around $150, it represents a significant value proposition for professionals recalibrating budgets. The chassis uses a sturdy plastic and metal blend that feels solid and supports smooth tilt and height adjustments. The display rests on a minimalistic stand that offers tilt functionality and a stable base, reducing wobble during long editing sessions. The 27-inch panel dimensions align well with desktop workstations, optimizing readability without overwhelming the primary monitor in multi-screen setups. Its 4K resolution and IPS technology provide crisp detail and consistent color from nearly any viewing angle, essential for precise photo editing. The panel covers 100% DCI P3 color gamut and supports over 1 billion colors, delivering smooth gradient transitions during editing. PIP and PVPP features enable multitasking by placing two inputs on screen simultaneously, while the three-sided ultra-thin bezel preserves immersive visuals. A 70 Hz refresh rate keeps timeline edits smooth and reduces perceived motion blur during creative tasks and light gaming sessions. PBP and PIP modes let editors compare drafts side by side, a practical workflow improvement when matching color swatches and proofs. Delta E below 2 signifies excellent color accuracy straight out of the box with straightforward calibration options for studio lighting conditions. Compared to the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q, the CUNPU offers similar color accuracy with better pricing and newer ports. The pros include excellent color accuracy, flexible PVP and PIP, and solid connectivity options. The cons include limited brightness for bright rooms and no built-in speakers. At number 2, we have the LG 27UP650K. This monitor targets photo editors and creators who demand precise color and performance, including 95% DCI P3 color gamut. Its 27-inch size pairs with an IPS panel to deliver wide viewing angles and comfortable editing across rooms. The 4K UHD IPS panel provides crisp detail, broad color fidelity, and a professional-looking presentation for edits and proofs. The build quality feels sturdy with a firm stand, and the screen height, tilt, and pivot are easily adjustable. The white chassis and refined frame pair with VESA compatibility for flexible mounting, letting you free up desk space. Its compact footprint supports multi-monitor layouts and easy integration with existing desk setups and stands. The display covers up to 95% of the DCI P3 color spectrum and carries Display HDR 400 for HDR edits. Display HDR 400 performance translates into brighter highlights and deeper shadows during HDR content, delivering more lifelike editing moments. Dynamic Action Sync reduces input lag and ensures responsiveness when you preview edits and transitions during busy workflows. In day-to-day photo editing, the panel maintains color consistency after calibration, with stable gamma and balanced brightness. The built-in Switch app lets you split your screen into up to 6 sections and swap between PC and the WebOS platform. Compared to a top-end Dell UltraSharp model, the LG offers HDR-capable performance and a wider color gamut. The pros include excellent color accuracy, flexible ergonomic adjustments, and Switch app multitasking. The cons include modest HDR brightness and no USB-C input. At number 1, we have the ViewSonic VP2768A. From the moment you unbox it, this 27-inch color-critical display signals professional intent with a sleek frameless design. The chassis combines a sturdy metal frame with a refined matte finish, delivering durability while presenting a premium aesthetic for studio use. Its 27-inch screen area combines with an advanced ergonomic stand that offers height, tilt, swivel, and pivot for comfort. The panel delivers 100% sRGB with Pantone validation and factory hardware calibration, while USB-C supplies up to 90 watts. Flexible connectivity spans USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet, with daisy chaining enabled to streamline multi-monitor workflows. Color accuracy centers on 100% sRGB plus EBU and Rec 709 to support professional photo workflows. Pantone validation seals the deal for reproducing color matching system swatches, and every unit ships with a factory calibration report. Ergonomic considerations include an adjustable stand and advanced eye comfort features such as flicker-free operation and a blue light filter. Daisy chain capability with DisplayPort outsimplifies setups by cascading to a second monitor while maintaining color consistency across displays. During practical testing, the ViewSonic monitor demonstrates solid color stability and brightness consistency, especially when using daisy chain capability for multi-monitor setups. Compared with the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q, This ViewSonic provides stronger in-factory color calibration and Pantone validation. The pros include precise color reproduction that supports professional printing workflows, highly adjustable ergonomics for long sessions, and expansive connectivity including USB-C. The cons include a moderate price point for some buyers and a 60 Hz refresh limit that may deter high frame rate enthusiasts. Ultimately, this model delivers factory-calibrated color accuracy with reliable performance for professionals seeking repeatable edits and consistent results.